You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your left and your right of your Knu Skool Vans. So before we start, first of all I'm going to take the tongue, I'm going to push it down into the shoe. In that way I can get to the holes running on either side. I'm going to take the laces that I've already flattened out so I can get them nice and tidy as I work my way up the shoe. So I'm going to be starting to lace through on the first two holes. I'm going to take the outside hole first. I'm going to take the lace down into the hole. Make sure to keep your lace nice and flat as it runs through the hole. Flatten your lace out as you go across the shoe and into the inside first hole. Before you take the lace all the way through, to make sure your laces are the same on both sides, you take the end of your laces, hold them together, and you pull the lace up through the shoe, making sure that you've got that lace nice and flat and tight. So I'm going to start on the outside lace and I'm going to bring it across the shoe to the inside second hole. And as you can see, flattening out the laces does help a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to take it across the shoe to the outside second hole. Keeping that lace in your hand, you're then going to take it across the shoe and you're going to put it into the inside third hole. Just pull that a little bit tighter. Then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to take it across the shoe and we're going to thread it down through the outside third hole. Making sure that your laces are sitting nicely on each other as you work your way up. Then you keep the outside lace in your hand and you're going to take it down through the inside fourth hole. Then you're going to take the inside lace, take it across the shoe and you're going to thread it down through the outside fourth hole. Keeping your lace in your hand, we're going to take it across the shoe and we're going to thread it down through the inside fifth hole. And then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to take it across the shoe and we're going to thread it down through the outside fifth hole. Just checking those laces are sitting all nicely on top of each other. Then we're going to take the outside lace, we're going to take it across the shoe and we're going to thread it down through the inside sixth hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace, take it across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. And then when we take the outside lace still in our hand across the shoe, this time rather than going down through the seventh hole on the inside, we're going to take it up through the seventh hole. Then we go back to our inside lace and we're going to do the same. When we take it across the shoe, we're going to bring it up through the inside of the last and seventh hole. Just check all your laces are sitting nicely flat. They've all got the same amount of tension in them, so you get that nice lacing style as you work your way up the shoe. And as you can see now we've got to the end, we've got too much lace, which means you're going to end up walking on it. So a cool sneaker hack would be to take the lace back through the hole, bring it back so it hangs out just as much as you'd like, making a loop. We're then going to take the outside lace, do the same, bring it back, make yourself a loop and just check that your laces are the same length on both sides. You then take the loops, hold them together, bring that tongue back up and we're going to place the loops under the tongue. So slide them down through either side. Just check you've got as much lace as you'd like hanging out on either side. Make adjustments where you need to, and there you have your Knu Skool Vans left side with a loosely laced style. So moving on to the right shoe. So here we have the right shoe. First of all, I'm going to take the tongue and push it down into the shoe, which means I can get to the holes on either side. I'm going to take the laces that I've already flattened out, and I'm going to start threading them through the first 2 holes. So pushing your lace down into the hole, then as I go I always flatten the lace out as I move across to the next hole. So I'm going to take it down through the inside first hole. Before you pull your laces all the way through, making sure your laces are the same length as each other, you put the ends together and you pull up through the shoe. Just adjust it to make sure that that first bar there is nice and flat, and then we carry on with our loosely laced style. So I'm going to take the outside lace first, I'm going to take it across the shoe, I'm going to bring it down through the inside second hole. Then I'm going to take the inside lace, I'm going to take it across the shoe, bringing it down through the outside second hole. Then I'm going to keep that lace in my hand, and I'm going to take it across the shoe and take it down through the inside third hole. Then I'm going to take the inside lace, I'm going to take it across the shoe to the outside third hole. Just want to check as you're running up the shoe that your laces are overlapping each other nicely, so you've got the same amount of lace on each level as you go up. I'm going to keep the outside lace in my hand, I'm going to take it across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. So I'm flattening my lace as I go. Then I'm going to take the inside lace, I'm going to take it across the shoe, and I'm going to thread it down through the outside fourth hole. Then I'm going to keep that lace in my hand, I'm going to come across the shoe, I'm going to bring it down through the inside fifth hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace, just make sure that it isn't twisted as you go, and I'm going to take it across the shoe and thread it down through the outside fifth hole. Then I'm going to keep that lace in my hand, I'm going to bring it across the shoe, and I'm going to bring it down through the sixth hole on the inside of the shoe. And then I'm going to take the inside lace and I'm going to take it across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. Keeping that lace in my hand, I'm going to take it across the shoe, and this time I'm going to bring it up through the last inside and seventh hole. Then I'm going to take the inside lace, I'm going to take it across the shoe, and I'm going to bring it up through the outside seventh hole. And as we can see again, we've got laces that are too long, you're going to end up walking on them. So we're going to pull the outside lace back through. making sure you've got just enough lace, making a loop, pull the inside lace back through to make a loop, making sure you don't twist your lace as you go. Just check you've got the same length on both sides, taking that loop, you pull them behind the tongue, so lift the tongue up, slide the lace down either side, which will probably bring in your laces a little bit, so you'll just need to pull them out a little bit on either side. Check that your laces are all sitting nice and tidily, one overlapping the other, and there you have your right and your left Knu Skool Vans, all nicely loosely laced. So I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed it and you did find it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.